Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find your Wise account number. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first step to do this is simply log in into your Wise account. So simply open the Wise app or go to wise.com on your browser and log in with your registered email or password. Once this is done, you need to simply go to your account or balances. On the homepage, tap or click on account or balances. Then select the currency account like USD, GBP, Euro you want to view the account details for. And then once you have viewed your account details, inside the currency account, tap on account details. Here you will see your account number, sort code, IBAN for euros, or if you are using USD, then you can find your routing number as well. So this way you can simply check your account number. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.